A very good morning to all of you. Welcome back, and you're watching English with Joseph MAAM. Before I begin, I would like to thank all of you, those who are new to my channel. Please do subscribe my channel and please press the icon button so that the upcoming notifications of the video will be shown. Okay, so before I begin now, today I want to tell you that the sentences that we use in everyday life, in our routine, we use sentences among our friends and families. So today I bought another group of sentences, small words with sentences. So without wasting any time, let us begin and keep me watching till the end. Okay, so short sentences that we use normally: इधर आ जाओ, बैठ जाओ, don't go here, यहाँ मत जाओ, इधर बैठ जाओ, नीचे आ जाओ. So these are the words that we speak in everyday. अपने everyday routine में हम लोग बात करते हैं. So that you have to converse that in English. So let us begin. Take this. Now if you have something in your hand or anything, a glass of water or book, whatever you have in your hand, so what you'll do, आप बोलोगे ये ले लो, ये लो, ऐसे बोलते हैं. In English what will you say? Take this. Take this. In English you will say take this. Okay. Now stop here. Means यहीं रुक जाओ. Stop here. And I request all of you to please listen very carefully to me, because English practice, the way you have to speak is about listening first. The more you will listen, the more you'll be able to speak these words. So जैसे आप बोलते हो यहाँ ही रुक जाओ, ये आप हिंदी में बोलेंगे, and you listen to me carefully because I am telling this in English. I am speaking it in English. So listen carefully and you repeat this after me. Take this. Take this. Stop here. Stop here. No, never. No, never. Sit upright. Sit upright. अब किसी को इंसर्ट कर रहे हो, बच्चे जैसे झुक के बैठते हैं तो आप बोलेंगे sit upright. Means back straight करके बैठो. Sit upright. Again and again. Again and again. कोई भी चीज़ आप बार बार ऐसे कर रहे हो तो बच्चे बोल रहे हो. अगेन बार बार आप यही चीज कर रहे हो, बार बार आप बोल रहे हो. तो अगेन एंड अगेन. अगेन एंड अगेन. कम टू मी. मीन्स मेरे पास आइए. कम टू मी. राइट इट. राइट इट. एंड इफ यू आर वॉचिंग मी, इफ यू वॉन्ट टू राइट दिस डाउन, यू कैन प्लीज राइट इट डाउन. राइट इट. डू इट नाउ. इसको जो मैंने जो वर्ड्स दैट आई हैव रिटन ओवर हियर, राइट इट डाउन. Write it now. Write it now. अभी लिखिए. Write these words now. Not you. So बोलते हैं no, आप नहीं. Not you. Not you. Next is not now. Not now. अभी नहीं. Not now. I hope you are understanding me, and I want you all to repeat after me so that your English will be clear. Fluently you will be able to speak these words and practice it every day in your day-to-day work. Okay, next we come to he is kind. He is kind, or you can say she is kind. He is said mostly for male. He is kind. वो ईमानदार है. He is kind. You can say she is kind. You can also add she, S-H-E, she. She is used for a lady. She is for a male. She is kind. Next. Nothing else. Nothing else. अब कुछ नहीं और कुछ नहीं. Okay, next. Shame on you. If somebody does anything wrong, then you say shame on you. मतलब शर्म आनी चाहिए आपको. Shame on you. Next is but why. अब किसी को अगर आपने बोला shame on you, क्या तो but why, क्यों भाई? But why. That means but why. उसको इंग्लिश में बोलेंगे but why. Stay at home. Stay at home means घर पे रहिए. Stay at home. Introduce yourself. अपने आप को आप अपना परिचय दीजिए. Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself. Keep it here means यहाँ पे रख दीजिए. Keep it here. तो अगर बच्चा किसी अब ज्यादातर ये वर्ड्स आप लोग बच्चे पे यूज करें. यूज इट. अगर आप if you want your child should speak English, then you have to say these things to your kids. You repeat it over and over. जैसे आप कुछ बोलते हो बच्चों को, बेटा यहाँ रख दो. So say that in English. Keep it here. Keep it here. Next, I will see you. Now, like if you are going somewhere, और बोलते ठीक है बाद में मिलते हैं आपसे. So I will see you. I will see you. Next, you are ill-mannered. You are ill-mannered means आप बदतमीज हो या किसी बहुत बदतमीज है. So that you will say that in English. You are ill-mannered. You are ill-mannered. I was busy. If someone is phoning up to you and you're not able to, or you're not at home, you're not able to contact the person is not able to contact you and you are not giving any response, तो बोले अरे आपका फोन लग रहा था आप नहीं उठाए नहीं. I was busy. You will say I was busy. मतलब आप बोलिए मैं busy था या मैं busy थी. So English you will say that in English. I was busy. She got angry. She got angry. वो तो नाराज हो गई. She got angry. So my dear friends, please go to the shop. Please go to the shop. Please write it down. Please comment me. These are the words that I'm giving you, and please do message me that how did you like the video. Comment, share. Thank you. Goodbye. See you again.